So you can see it's loading right there, so it's not a fake screenshot. And once again, 2,322 while being on vacation. What is happening, my friend? Beautiful night in Las Vegas. Hanging out with my beautiful sisters, having an amazing time. And I'm going to show you how much I've been able to make in the last 48 hours. We're actually hanging out in Vegas. It's been such a blast out here. She's celebrating my sister-in-law's birthday, and it's been amazing so far. So you can change your life, right? You can truly change your life. And I'm going to show you exactly how I've been able to make multiple six figures online. So I want you to visit this website right here. Get the full details and get started with me today. Other than that, I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my night. What we're doing here is copying and pasting pre-written ads on social media. When somebody responds to those ads, if they purchase a product, you get paid 100% commission. As simple as that. Simple as that. Other than that, live your dreams, right? Make it happen. Take action. Stop doubting yourself and start taking action. You can do it. It's possible. I'll see you at the top. So I've been traveling here for 3 days in Vegas. We're having such an amazing time, and I've still been able to make over $2,000, 2,322 on complete autopilot. As you can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you here from the 22nd to the 24th, today, Sunday. I'm gonna click submit, okay? So you can see it's loading right there, so it's not a fake screenshot. And once again, 2,322 while being on vacation. Okay, this is what I want you to do if you want to learn exactly how you can travel all over the world and still you're able to make over $2,000 on complete autopilot while you're having an amazing time, while you're having a blast. I want you to visit this website. Go to www.richmindsets.com. Get started with my team today to get access to the step-by-step training, and message me on Facebook so I can introduce you to the community and show you the step-by-step training to get your finances, your life to the next level. Other than that, I will see you at the top.